Hey everyone, it's Tony, and well, this is very interesting. We have some Japanese exclusives. So, yeah. So, the thing is, these are some, I'm actually still over at Vortex. These are some that I've been eyeing on for about almost a week and a half or so. And it's interesting because I never noticed it. I've been going to the store now for, almost a year, and it's the one thing I never noticed was these games. And one of these, actually, I will talk about in a second, was the previous game. This is a second game in a series, was mentioned on a certain web series, which again I'll talk about in a second. But this one did not, which was interesting. Either it didn't, or maybe it did and I did not remember it. But anyway, let's cut all the chit chat. Let's get right into it. So what we have here is Ogre Battle 64, complete inbox, and it was 15. And I'm just pleasantly surprised by this. You don't come across Japanese N64 games, in this complete of a form, especially this pristine of a condition. What also just blows my mind is how great the artwork is. The guy who sold them to me, he even agreed that these were great pieces of art. So that was one. And then the other one, now this is again where the whole previous game was covered, was Wonder Project J2. Now, for people who are fans of Did You Know Gaming, you know that Wonder Project J1, or aka the original, was covered in their show Region Locked. And again, I don't remember if they actually talked about the sequel or if they actually neglected to mention it, but I was surprised that they even made a sequel. And just judging by the box, I'm like, yeah, I definitely will play this. And the funny thing is, the original right now is going for about 14 to 18 bucks online. And we will definitely get that when the time comes. You will know when. But I was just surprised to get my hands on this for only $20. Again, complete in box. Artwork, in my opinion, just very, very lovely. And then finally, we did get one more. So finally, we have Pokemon Puzzle League. It's great. I wanted to get my hands on it. I want to complete all the Pokemon games for N64. But anyway, that's everything. This is Tony. I am signing out. I'll see you all next time. I'm just shocked. Did You Know Gaming? Check your stuff.